Hey everyone, Cody here, and this is video number 9 in the How to Build a Builderall website video tutorial series. And in this video we're going to talk about how to add an image to our Builderall website. If you remember from last video, we created a graphic in Canva, and we added our own images and some text. So today we're going to add the image graphic to our website. So on the home page in Builderall, we'll go to the Chia website builder, click enter. Okay, and here is our animal rescue demo site. We're going to click edit site. And on the home page, we're going to edit the home page. Okay, now we're going to scroll down to our image and text section. And what I want to do is I want to replace this image with our new one. So I'm going to click the image and hit the delete. Click yes, delete. And what I want to do is I want to add an image element. So under add, there's panels and elements. Go ahead and click element. I'll scroll down to where it says image. There we go. And let's see. Let's go ahead and choose this image. I'll make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Now, we want to replace the image in here, so we want to click, and this will change the settings on the side. So under General Settings, under Image, we click Change Image. Okay, and let's upload our image that we created from Canva on the last video. So click Select Image. This is our pet graphic. Wait for that to load in. And then we want to click on the image and click down here to save. Now, as you can see, it looks a little blurry, but remember our last image was 300 by 300 pixels, and this box is a little bigger than that. So what we want to do is we want to shrink. There we go. And we can change the origin to the middle box, the position to the circle in the middle, and we don't have to worry about the other areas. Under width, we're going to click this to 300 though, because remember our image is 300. And that will change our height to 300 as well, since it's a square image. There we go. Now it's a little less blurry. I'm going to put it right here. And what I want to do is move this text box over. So we have a little bit of a arrow we can see, and we want to center this as much as we can. So let's click off on the arrow. Click the whole box, which controls the picture as well. If we just click the image, we can move the image. But let's go ahead and put that here. There we go. And if we click the box again, let's move the box over to we have the green line. Let's move this. There we go. And we can do the same thing as far as adding different images and icons and graphics to the rest of our website. We have another image right here. Let's go ahead and change this one up as well. So we're going to click this, expand our panel out, what we want to do is click the edit item. And as you can see, this is listed as a box or a container, which holds the image. So on our settings panel, we want to go to background settings to change the image. So we change the image right here. I want to select a different file. Let's choose this one. Click to select, and then click Save. And as you can see, the image did not change. And this is because the box that holds the image, it needs to be changed to an actual image, an image container. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and delete it. We're going to expand our panel again. We're going to select our image. There we go. Make this a little larger. We're going to click on the box, edit element, go to general, and we're going to change the image. Select and save. And as you can see, it now changes our image. We can go ahead and place this more in the center. And there we go. That's how you change images to the custom images. It's how you swap out images and add images to your Builderall website. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below in the comment section, as well as if you have another video topic or training video you want me to show. If you're interested in a $1 30-day trial to Builderall, there's a affiliate link down below in the description. Thank you very much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.